Well, this is the NEET 2019 question in gravitation. A body weighs 200 Newton on the surface of the earth. How much it weighs? Half the weight down at the center of the earth, right? So he's saying there is a body. When it is on the surface, it weighs 200 Newton. Somewhere in the journey, at a depth equal to half the radius, what is its weight? That's the question, right? Assuming that entire mass is concentrated at the center of the earth. This is another body of mass M. Now, I know the relation between G and capital G, small g and capital G. When it is on the surface, its weight mg is provided by the gravitational force gmm by r square. So, G equal to gm by r square can be used on the surface. But when you go to the depth, I cannot use this formula because in the depth, entire mass is not going to act, rather only that part of the mass of earth only applies a gravitation on that. So I have to convert this format into some another format. How do I convert that? Using a formula density equal to mass by volume, assuming earth spherical 4 by 3 pi r cube. Mass can be written like 4 by 3 pi r cube rho. So this formula G can also be written like G in the place of M, 4 by 3 pi radius cube and density by r square is there. So r square and r square cancels. The new relation is 4 by 3 pi z r rho. This is more appropriate to use when we are go into the earth, right? So at a depth, the entire radius won't be present. G dash will be 4 by 3 pi g, or minus d is the depth where you are calculating, right? Like the point I have said here. So g dash by g becomes 4 by 3 pi g of rho by 4 by 3 pi g r of rho. Rho's and 4 by 3's and g's will cancel. So g dash by g equal to r minus d by r, or g dash equal to g of 1 minus depth by r. I could have used this derivation formula directly, but I have derived it so that you can use it whenever it is required. Now it is said that at a depth, what he said, how much it will weight halfway down the earth. That means at a depth d equal to r by 2. G dash is g of 1 minus r by 2 by r. So g of 1 minus 1 by 2, that equal to g by 2. So mg dash is also mg by 2. Original weight is mg is given as 200 by 2. So its value will be 100 Newton. So the answer for the problem is 100 Newton. So the key part of this is knowing this formula, and I have derived this formula for all of us. That's how we get this answer. Where you need to know how does the gravity varies with respect to depth. That's it, and thank you for watching.